What's up, guys? Welcome to the Crypto Savvy channel. I'm Craig, and we're going to go over the charts. I'm going to start out with the bigger time frames, move down to the smaller time frames. I'm going to make this video kind of quick. It is Friday. Everything really depends on what the traditional markets do today, but we're going to take a look at Bitcoin, what I'm expecting, and stick around for the whole video. I'm going to show you my trades that I've showed you since Monday, show you where it's at, show you what I'm doing, show you where I added, show you where my stops are, things like that. So stick around for the whole video. I'm going to explain it all up into getting into that chart and showing you what's going on with the trades. So anyways, if you guys think that's interesting, make sure you smash that thumbs up, leave your comments below. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure your notification bells are ticked. All right, let's take a look. So this is on the weekly, right? We've been looking at this for quite some time. Actually, we're going to start with the monthly. As you guys know, I believe we've had a huge 5-wave count up. And remember, Bitcoin has never seen a traditional bear market, which I believe we are in right now. And I think it's going to get very ugly. It doesn't have to. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. But guys, you need to be aware of this. Be careful. There's a lot of people out there, that were bullish at the top, screaming for $300,000 Bitcoin, $100,000 Bitcoin. They're the same ones that are saying we've bottomed again. Be careful. At least watch this, come out with your own view of it, and just get a little different perspective on what all these bullish people that think markets only go up, right? So anyways, look at this as a possible 5-wave count finished, and we are in the bear market now looking for another wave down. And as I've stated since December 2nd, 2021, you can go to my YouTube page, check out the video. I believe the true bottom will be in September or October, is exactly what I've been saying this whole time. Nothing has changed there, guys. It could go as low as 3,500, but nevertheless, I believe we'll see a lower low than our last low. So let's take a look at what's going on. A lot of people were talking about on the Elliott wave, the third wave has to be the longest. That's absolutely not true. In Elliott wave, third wave is often the longest, but never the shortest. And if you look at this on the macro, it looks short. But if you look at it on the log scale, you can see the real wave 3, right? You see this tiny wave 1 here. You got your wave 3, wave 4. And this is one big blow off top, wave 5. And you can see what happened after that. I don't believe this downside is over yet. And I'll go over that in the next chart. So let's look at the weekly. Remember, I'll be showing you where my trades are, so stick around. All right, so on the weekly, I'm looking at this as a big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 falling wedge. Could get as low as 3,500. Again, doesn't have to. We do have major support here around 9,000 to 9,600 area. So I would expect a big bounce there. If it's the bottom, hurrah. We still got a lower low, right? That is still what I'm looking for. But remember, we could go as low as, remember, this is all the way in September or October, way down here. We have a long time to go, guys. There will be plenty of bounces in there, so be careful. And here's the other thing on the weekly. If you look at this trend line across from this top right here to down here, we had hidden bearish divergence. We are in a downtrend. That's a continuation of the trend. If you look at this top trend line right here, same thing. We made a higher high in the price action, or lower high in the price action, higher high in the RSI, hidden bearish divergence. Let's look at the daily. So this is what I pointed out Monday as a possible head and shoulders, right? With the neckline here. I threw this up in the Discord also the day I made this chart. You can join the Discord. There's links down below. It's totally free. A lot of good guys in there, a lot of different kind of traders. As you guys know, I like to swing trade. There's some day traders in there. I'm not a fan of day trading, but there are some good traders in there. So it's totally free, no charge. Anyways, we finally broke this. My first target is this $25,000 range, which is a 200 EMA. Now, that doesn't mean we don't have bounces up. We could bounce all the way back up and retest this trend line, right? That's around 29.2. Or 27 to 27.5, somewhere in that range. Could still go up, retest that before continuing down. But this will be the first target there. Again, this is on the daily. We're going to look at the 4-hour too. And then we have the measured move all the way down to 23,000. And I'm going to show you how all this lines up. If this breaks, then obviously we come down to test this trend line. Once this trend line breaks, guys, it's probably going to be capitulation time. All right, let's take a look at the 4 hours. So the 4 hour, as you guys know, for 3 months, almost 4 months now, we had a possibility of getting to that 31.5. We did not quite reach there. It's still in the cards as a possibility. I'm not saying it's out of, not going to happen. Obviously, nobody knows. But if we do get up there, I will definitely be shorting again. And I'll, again, show you my trade setup. So this is a big wave 1, I believe. Wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. Now, I put the fibs on there. This 25.9 to 26 would be the 1-to-1 extension, which would be a fake out for an ABC correction. We'll probably get a bounce in this area if this isn't the bounce already that we're in. Let me get these fibs out of the way. So if this is the case, then within this third wave that I believe we're in, let me show you how this works. This will be invalidated if we break this 27.7 range, right? So we would have a 1, 2, 3, or I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3 right here. We shouldn't go past this wave 2 here within this wave 3, right? So if that happens, we'll probably get this and then a big drop to our $24,000 range. But first, 23.5, 24, somewhere in that range. First, I expect us to get a bounce here if we haven't already started it, but it should not go past this 27.7 range before continuing down. So just be careful there. Once we do that, our wave 3 could end somewhere down in this range here around the 23 to 23.5 range, get a big bounce back up to the 26 range before continuing down for this one to get our $20,000 target. 20,500 somewhere. It depends on where it would hit here, right? And then we'll probably get one more rally. If we put the fibs on here, let's say we do get down to this range, right? So if that was to happen, we could get a rally all the way back up to the 27.5-ish range, as high as 28.7, this being a big wave 1, 2, and then 3 down. All right. If you guys are interested in trading, I'm going to show you my trades now. Definitely check out PrimeXBT, by far my favorite exchange. They do support the channel. They do sponsor the channel, but check it out. You can trade crypto, Forex, gold, silver, oil, S&P, Dow Jones, everything all from one exchange. You can also go up here. There is a contest section. You can join these contests for free. So you're not putting any risk of your own money in. And if you win the contest, then you get rewards. All this trade is off rewards. So obviously no risk, right? But we started out with 1.7 Bitcoin. Right now we're at 2.6, $7,000 profit. We put our first trades in up here at 29.82. That was the first short. 29.204 second. And then we have 27.715 and 28. That was laddering in, right? So now what I've done is I put my stops right here. You can see it 27.7 or 27.671, which is right here at the bottom of what I believe to be wave 2 of 3. So if we get up there, it'll stop me out, but still it'll be in a little bit of profit, even if these do stop out. And then I have my stops up here also in profit at 29.50. So if we do get up to this range, right, and we get a rejection before here, I may add more shorts right up in this area. But if it stops me out, then I wait to get up into this range. If we break this, then I'll just look for new shorts. But nevertheless, I will have lost no money, right? So anyways, that's what I'm doing. If you guys are interested, you can use my promo code SAVVY50. That'll get you up to a $7,000 bonus to use towards your margin. SAVVY25 will get you 25% off of your fees. Remember, guys, never put on more than you're willing to lose on any exchange, right? And don't try to get rich off one trade. Also, I have a link down below, and I will leave a tutorial for PrimeXBT and my video from December 2nd, 2021, where I was talking about the bottom being in September, October. I'll leave them up top. Check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. As you guys know, I think that the bulls are about to get wrecked. Anyways, have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Happy Friday. Hope you have a great weekend. I'm out.